What's up, YouTube? Akai Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what we doing? One of my subscribers reached out to me. He said, yo Daz, what's up, man? Can you explain how to pan my hi-hats left and right to the left and right speakers, because he couldn't figure out how to pan his hi-hats left and right to the speakers. Alright, so in this video, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to pan left and right. Is actually two ways that I know how to do it, and I'm going to show you both ways in the video how to do. The first one is real kind of simple. Well, both of them is real simple, but the first one I like to do that more than the second one. All right, so because the first one you have more control. All right, so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna show you how to do that and get that done. All right, so listen, man, make sure if y'all have a question for me, y'all just drop it in the in the comments of any video, and I'll try to get back to it. If I know it, I'll help out. If I don't know it, I ain't scared to tell you, listen, I don't know how to do that. All right, so let's go, man. Let's get it. Today, that's what we doing, panning hi-hats. All right, so let's go. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Alright, so now we inside the MPC. I already picked out a kit that we're going to use. So this is it. Alright, so that's what we're going to use. Let's just lay down something so we have something to work with. Alright, so we're just going to do a kick, snare, and the hi-hats. Alright, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright, let's head the hi-hats now. Alright, so there we go. We have what we need to work with now. So now I'm going to show you how to pan them, you know, left and right. Like I said in the intro, it's two different ways, right? This first way I like personally because it gives you more flexibility. Alright, so what you want to do is let's drop this so you can see the screen much bigger. Make sure whatever you want to manipulate you have highlighted. If you want this the snare, or if you want the kick, or if you want the hi-hat, but today we're working with the hi-hats. So here go the hi-hats right here. What you want to do, you want to make sure that you're not in the program channel, because if you're in the program channel, you're going to mess around and mess with everything else, right? Everything, the kick and the snare and the hi-hat all in once. You want to make sure you're in this mode right here, right? And then you come here. Well, for this particular one, you don't need to be in that mode, but for the second one you need to be in that mode. So just make sure you stay in that mode for right now. All right, so the first one, we come here and you want to go to modifier. Once you're in modifier right here, these little dots right here, once you right click any one of them, you can right click any one of them as long as it's highlighted. You right click any one of them. Now you have different options that you can do. You can do tuning, cutoff, resonance, you can do filter, you can do pan, level, you can do attack, decay, release, or sample layer, right? So what we need to do, what we're doing today, is the pan. So you'll come to pan, and then you see them turn green. So everything have its own color. Like tuning will have like an orange, cutoff will have yellow, so you know where you at, right? So we're in pan, so you know it's green. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to come to your pencil right here, and with the pencil you can just go ahead and move it up and down wherever you want to do it, right? So that's real fast. But if you're trying to be precise, you can say I want this one up, I want this one down, then I want these three up here, then I want these three right here, then I want one here, one there. So that's why I like this way right here, because it gives you more flexibility in how you want to use it, right? And you can do that, you can do whatever you want to do, right? So let's just go back and fix this. Let's just do it like that. All right, let's put the first one on in the center, first couple in the center. All right, and let's bang bang. All right, so now let's listen to it. All right, so I don't know if you can hear it, but let's drastically do it. Everyone that's on this side will go up, everyone down here up, so go all the way. All right, all right, now let's listen. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how I do it, right? For this first way, I like this way. All right, so what you can do now, if you want to get rid of it, you just go to your eraser right here and just hit the eraser on any one of them, and it'll bring it back to the center. All right, so now this is how you do the second way. The second way is easy too, but I really don't care for the second way that much. All right, but here go the second way. You might like it, I might not. You might. All right, you will come right here to your automation. Where's the global automation? You can, if it's in green, is reading. If it's in red, is writing. What's the difference is, right is you actually using either using a knob or using a pencil to go up and down or whatever. That's actually writing. And then once you finish writing, you'll put it back to green for it to read whatever you wrote. All right, so let's make sure it's in red, and all you got to do is just hit play. And remember, I told you, make sure you're in the pad channel and not the program channel. You want to make sure you're in this channel. And here go, we're on A3 right here, and here go the pan knob, left and right. All right, so we can leave it in the center for now. If you can't get it back in the center, all you have to do is hold Alt and then click on it, and it will bring it right back to the center, right? So you'll push play, and then you just automate it. Up, down, left, right. You can either use the knobs. Right now I'm using the mouse. And then you just turn your automation off. Once you turn your automation off, then you can go back in with your pencil, and you can take the time correction off, so your pencil can do fine cuts. All right, so that's how you do it, man. That's it for the video. It's real simple. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. That's it. All right, so thank you for watching. Thank y'all. Listen, if y'all need any question answered, just hit me up, man. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Tony!